Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to delete a message in WhatsApp forever. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this on our devices we need to go to WhatsApp. Then open chats. Select a specific correspondence with the person we want to clear. Then select a message. Press this message. Press delete. Then select several messages that we want to delete. And here we press delete in the lower left corner. Further, we press delete all of them. After that, the messages are deleted. If you want to completely clear the conversation, you click on the person's profile. You scroll down here and you have here Clear Chat. You click here and click Clear All Messages. And then when we exit, our chat is completely cleared. And if we want to delete the entire chat, we press Clear Chat and it is completely deleted. That's how easy it is to clear and delete WhatsApp all messages forever. If you helped them like this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.